Today, I will discuss about Mendelian and non-Mendelian inheritance. So what is Mendelian and what is non-Mendelian? Mendelian is an inheritance refers to patterns of inheritance that are characteristic of organisms that reproduce sexually. The Austrian monk Gregor Mendel performed thousands of crosses with garden peas at his monastery during the middle of the 19th century. Mendel explained his result by describing two laws of inheritance that introduced the idea of dominant and recessive genes. So next, what is non-Mendelian? A non-Mendelian inheritance is any pattern of inheritance in which traits do not segregate in accordance with Mendel's law. These laws describe the inheritance of traits linked to single genes on chromosomes in the nucleus. In Mendelian inheritance, each parent contributes one of two possible alleles for a trait. So, why is Mendelian inheritance is important? Mendel developed three principles of inheritance that describe the transmission of genetic traits. Before anyone knew genes existed, Mendel's insight greatly expanded the understanding of genetic inheritance and led to the development of new experimental methods. By the way, Gregor Mendel is an Austrian monk carried out the first important studies on heredity in 1800s. Example of Mendelian inheritance is the gene for flower color in pea plants exists in two forms, one for purple and the other for white. The alternative forms are now called alleles. For each trait, an organism inherits two alleles, one from each parent. These alleles may be the same or different. So, why also non-Mendelian inheritance is important? It plays an important role in several disease processes. A non-Mendelian inheritance can manifest as incomplete dominance, where offspring do not display traits of either parent but rather a mix of both. The example of non-Mendelian inheritance is when red snapdragons are crossed with white snapdragons. The hybrids are all pink heterozygotes for flower color. The pink color is an intermediate between the two parents' colors. So, that's all. Thank you.